Hey everybody, a new hat that my wife got me. Check it out. So I'm working out in the sun, really hot, pushing 100 degrees down here. Gonna do some weed eating today. But this hat, obviously a wide rimmed hat, you know, to cover my head completely. It's got little, little places on the top here for, to make it breathable. But the main thing in here is that it's got these little built-in fans right here. All right, so you can charge them up, or if they're not charged, if I watch what happens when I walk into the sunshine here, it's just pretty cool. They pop right on because they have solar panels on the outside. So these little fans are built in here, and as soon as I walk out into the sun here, they're going to come on. Let's do it. Look at that. So both of them immediately popped on. So this is going to be, hopefully, something to help me out here because it gets incredibly hot. And I'm trying to do this early enough in the morning here. It's about 9 o'clock right now. So let me walk into the shade here in my garage. So it's turned off. So a really cool idea here, a neat invention here. Let's hopefully it'll give me some relief here from doing a little weed eating this morning. So you may want to try something like this. They're always coming up with new gadgets, new ideas. So built-in fans in the rim of this hat, which have USB charging capabilities as well as solar panels on the top of them to help you so you don't have to worry about running out of juice when you're out there working in the sunshine. They'll just pop on because they'll pick up the power from the sun. All right, maybe this is something that will work for you at your house.